Now let's talk about changing the word. We need to change the word. Is it possible? My answer is yes. I believe that we can change the word. Word has changed to be bad by the people, so we can change the word. Change the word. Gentlemen, good afternoon. My Korean name is Kim Young and my English name is Aileen. From now on, I'm going to talk about the topic changing the word. Do you know how to change the word? Changing the word is difficult. There is two ways in changing the word.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Tasha, my English name is Jay. I'm here to about changing the world. I think we need to change many things in modern life, in place, and in power. One of these is
My Korean name is Chanalin and my English name is Lucy. I'm 13 years old and I'm standing here in front of you to deliver my speech about changing the world. Can we change the world? If it's possible, then how? First, we have to know what are the problems in our country. In Korea, there is
Good afternoon, everyone. This afternoon, I am going to deliver my speech, but before that, allow me to introduce myself. First, my Korean name is Kim Min and my English name is Amy. I am 13 years old and I am 6th grade. Good afternoon, teachers and students. I'm in 6th grade and my name is Park No-hoon. I'm here in front of you to talk about changing the world. I think the world is good and well developed. But also we have a very serious problem. Because many people using cars and
great in elementary school. Now I will talk about changing the world. Do you want to change something in the world? For example, do you want to change law? Or what do you want? Do you want to change the president in your country? I want to change about discrimination. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself first. I'm Kimita, one of the students who want to change the world. I'm 12 years old and I'm from Korea. Do you want to change something yourself? Or do you want for big changes, change the world?